Hey everybody, this is Jorik. Welcome to my channel where I talk about all things Portugal, what it's like to live overseas, and hopefully soon what it's like to travel once the restrictions are lifted. Welcome. It's May 4th, 2021, and today's episode I want to talk to you about getting a cab in Lisbon, Portugal. Are there things that you should be thinking about, worried about? This is going to be a fairly short video because we've used cabs for years for our travels as while we've lived here, and we haven't had any issues except when we don't use cash. Cash is king. So if you're traveling here on a holiday and you want to use a cab to get from, let's say, the airport to your hotel or Airbnb, VRBO, super. Get cash before you get on the plane, even though there are higher fees at the airport. Maybe you want to get some euros if you don't have euros once you land before you leave the airport, because every time that we've used cash to get anywhere in Lisbon, we haven't had a problem. Meaning it's the fare that we see on the fare. We don't have any issues. It's very cheap and affordable. But when we've used a credit card, we came back from a trip and we ran out of euros, and we were thinking, you know what? We've got a credit card. They have credit cards. We'll be good to go. Well, to give you an idea, if you are at the airport, pretty much anywhere in Lisbon city center, you should be able to get a cab for anywhere from 10 to 15 euros. So let's say 12 to 18 US dollars. And that's really anywhere in the main tourist section, if you will, in the city center of Lisbon. So we live in that area, and we know every time it's $10. Sometimes it's 11, depending on if they take a different way. But we know the pickup point right outside our apartment, $10 to get there, $10 to get back from the airport. But we did have an occasion where we didn't have money. We got picked up at the airport, and it was $31, and the person took the same route. It wasn't like they took the scenic route and wanted to scam us. But we couldn't really see the monitor for the fare, which was a little bit frustrating. But then we got dropped off, and all of a sudden it's like $31, and we're going, it's usually 10. What's going on here? So we paid it, but we realized that we're not using a credit card again for that. And we've talked to other people that either live here or have traveled and have had some similar experiences. Didn't necessarily have to be at the airport. It could have been just traveling from point A to point B somewhere in Lisbon. So please make sure to have cash. Cab rides are very inexpensive here compared to almost any city in the U.S. So if you're coming from the United States, even Canada, you're going to find that cabs are just so inexpensive. You're going to want to take advantage of them, but it's worth having the cash versus the credit card. So again, short video on that, just a little bit of buyer beware when it comes to cabs. We've had great experiences, nothing wrong other than use cash. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Let's hope that as the world keeps opening up, we can come see you someday, or you come see us. And thank you again for watching. Have a great day.